향기만 남기고 갔단다.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Urdu with Aruna. So today our topic is Haruf Tehji. Haruf Tehji from Alif to Se. The first letter is, in English it sounds like A. The second letter is Alif Madda. हम इसे कैसे लिखते हैं? Alif plus Madda. So it's become Alif Madda. Alif Madda. In English, it sounds like double A. Our third letter is B. B. In English, it sounds like B. B. Our third letter is P. P. In English, it sounds like P. Our fifth letter is T. T. In English, it sounds like T. Our sixth letter is T. T. In English, it sounds like D and T. Our seventh letter is T. T. Say in English, it sounds like S. So there is some small tips I want to give you. Whenever you have to start write a letter or write a Urdu, so you have to start from right hand, from this side, and Alif. Alif Mad A. For writing B, it's like straight with the horizontal line, and the difference between this and all the next letters are this is just a dot. P have 3, T on the upper side 2, T have a cap, and 3 dots on the upper sides. Like, subscribe, press bell icon and share my video. Thanks.